Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the React very important interview questions. So first one is the what is the role of React in software development? So basically, see, this is our like front end, and this is our like database and all. So first of all, what happened? This is like user which did the request by using this. Like browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Opera. These are all the browsers. And then what does a user do with the help of this browser request to the client? So client is what? It is basically front end, or you can say UI. UI stands for user interface. Then if user request to the client, so then what happened, like user requested in like Flipkart, just login. So it should be request, it should be sometime get post, it goes to the backend which made with like different languages like C hash or Java or PHP. This is our like backend. Here all the API middleware are the present here. And then what happened? If user requested to the server, then server get request to the database server. For like if the like example, this is user first time get login, trying to like register. So first of all, it should go to this front end request by using this browser. Then that request is integrated with the backend. So that request will go to the backend. Then after that, before registering the new user, it will check that user is present within this database or not. If it's found database is present, that user is present within the database, so it will give response to this server that particular user is present, and then this backend will give response to this front end, and this front end will give response to Chrome, and that user get respond like this. How React front end work in software development. So our React stands here. So with the help of React, what we can do, we can make the front end by using this HTML, CSS and JavaScript and Angular. These both are the JavaScript framework, which is basically one type of library, but it having the more popularity. It have the specific role as a React developer. Angular is a you can say it's a framework. Then for backend like C hash, PHP, like this work, and these are the some framework like C hash framework is the .NET, Java's framework this Spring Boot, and PHP framework is Laravel. And there are the different database like SQL Server, Oracle, MongoDB, Postgres, and so many databases are there. So this is how our React work. Then we will go with simple definition. First one is the what is React. So basically React is a JavaScript, or we can say JavaScript library, or we can say it is open source JavaScript library, which is like means open source. It means simply it is available free for everyone. Then React is used for building user interfaces. So we already seen here that with the help of React, what we can do, we can make the user interface by using this React. Then React simplifies the creation of single page application by using reusable components. So what is it simply means that React have the reusable component. It is this reusable component. So there is no need to create one component again and again. Like there is a particular component like new bar which we use in every page. So the reason what we do, we make it reusable, and we use it again and again. And we also create a dynamic component also by passing the data as a props, like for particular input we just need to pass their like type and value, so it will be reusable, so which simplifies the creation of single page application. And React is basically single page application, so there will be only one page, so it is a more simpler because no need to create so many pages and going to that complications. Then what does mean of this SPA? SPA stand for single page application. So a single page application is a web application that has only one single page. So it simply means that it is a single page application in a web application that has only one single web page. So if we create a website or any project with React, it have only single web page. There is no more pages. So whenever user do some action on the website, then in response content is dynamically updated without refreshing or loading a new page. So if there is any changes happen within a web page, so what happen, response content is dynamically updated, so there is no need to refresh the page again and again, and there is no need to load a new page, so which simplifies the React and which also makes the React faster. So there is because of there is no need to refresh as well as no need to load new page. Then there are the some advantages of React which makes React so popular. So simply it is a simple to build SPA, single page application. So it is very simple to build a single page application by using reusable components. Then React is a cross-platform and open source, free to use. So it is basically a open source as well as cross-platform, which simply means which can run on every operating system and every browser. And it is also open source, free to use. So we no need to pay anything for using this React. And then it is a lightweight and very fast. It is a basically a very lightweight library as well as it very fast as it uses virtual DOM. So basically it simply means that virtual DOM is a concept like we know that it doesn't update the whole page again and again. It updates only require updation things which make it very fast. It has the large community and ecosystem, and with React testing is also easy as it is a library, so there is no need to stick rules and like that. So all these things done with React. Specifically virtual DOM, this is a very important concept in React. The reason React is more faster because before updating the real DOM, it always checks its current DOM and current virtual DOM and its previous virtual DOM. If it found any changes within that two DOM, then only it updates the real DOM. So which makes React more faster because there is no need to re-render the things again and again, only need to update the required part. And basically virtual DOM is nothing anything like different, it is just exact copy of real DOM. Both the DOMs are sync with each other, and if any changes happen within that particular page, so it only updates the virtual DOM before updating the real DOM.